Oh, so Rachael has put a, what is it?
Unicorn grow egg from Barry's.
A unicorn grow egg, oh my goodness. And it is starting to hatch. What's Owen Power gonna do today? Whoa! Finally! Class! Well done!
Awesome.
High five! High five, high five! There we are. We're off again, so Connor can see what Owen's gonna do. His fantastic trick he's been practicing. Awesome. So today we came back to the beach. As you can see, it's a wee bit blowy and it's just showing how really bald that I am. But we're able to find roughly where we were, but it's all caved in. So here we are, just starting off digging. We're laying the finds out. We've got 2 done. And what Owen?
I'm pretty sure that's probably
Yeah, we only found one wee bit, which is there. It's the remnants of what we done yesterday. Okay, so we're going to get digging here because Rachel wants to go home today, but I'm staying with a few of them. Bye-bye. And while we are digging, we see horsies. Got out of the horsey truck. Hold on to get the horsies. And the horsies are going for a wee spin along the beach. Class. Aye. Hold on. Oh, I missed again. Owen says I had to give him £2, but he threw that up there and hit it. And he had to give me £2 and he missed. So far you've missed 3, so you owe me £6, Owen. 6 quid for Daddy. £8 you owe me. You missed it!
No, I hit it!
Okay, we'll call it quits and I'll give you £2, okay? Okay, so here is our digging so far. We have our foundations done, but we have nothing over the top of it. And it is absolutely lashing, isn't it, Owen? Yeah, you can see down there, you can hardly see anything. So we're going to give you a wee update now. So me and Owen have been digging loads and loads. We've been on our own. And we have got a row here. But what were you saying about Rachael? Yeah, and then she wanted to go home. So I made a bit of volcano, dug a big massive trench around it. This really deep trench we dug. And it took us ages. It was me and Owen. A big massive volcano. Yeah. So we've done loads of digging.
I know why the trench is so big on the volcano.
Why?
Because it keeps the rock smooth. So it makes like and the lava goes down here.
Yeah, the
The
lava
volcano.
burnt all the way. And over there we have the wee horsies running about the beach. Go ahead.
So this is an old place, but I haven't made like the buildings destroyed yet. So this is like if you don't know how to do it, this is how you do it. How I do
Yep.
it.
So he's going to make it like old ruined castles. Yeah. Yeah. Destroyed in the Great War of Benone. Well, the seagulls came and tried to take over the beach. Whoa. That was like Donald Trump tried to attack the castle there with nukes.
The Donald Trump wall fell.
Yeah. So we're gonna go back to the caravan and get something to eat. You hungry? Yeah. So we'll take our stuff and go. But that's what we're doing. So yeah, take all that stuff and we'll head back. You wanna say bye?
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
I'm going back to the caravan, so make sure to fill that like button up with sand and then dig the subscribe button.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
So there, I hit recording. So Owen finally built his wee pyramid of cards. Ta-da! Thumbs up, Owen. And there's Connor got his pyramid, and Owen's trying to do a bigger pyramid. What have you got to say, Connor? Hi. So it is now. What time is it? It's about 12:30, isn't it? Half midnight.
46 minutes past midnight.
Oh my goodness! It's 1:45 in the morning. So, from today, what do we do today? We've got some food each from us down the beach, digging again, and then we went home to get something to eat. And that was the last sort of recording that we've done. Oh, but we've done something in the house there, and it shows you doing your bend, your crab's bend thing. You're flipping the crab's bend.
My hands don't fall into a crab's bend.
Yeah. So we went and got something to eat, and we were doing that, and then we just spent the rest of the day playing cards. I was playing cards with Ethan.
I played cards.
Yeah. And there was Ethan, Harry, and Connor were playing cards. Mummy and Rachel.
And I won.
Yeah. Mummy and Rachel went back home to Belfast to our house because there's a party they have to go to tomorrow.
Orla's party.
Orla's party. So Orla's birthday party. Orla's our cousin, who has now a cat. Yeah. So now we're gonna go to bed.
And
so
we have a
tonight, what do we do tonight?
We can't show you the kitty cat because we're in the
No.
caravan.
Yeah, but we did make a video of our kitty cat. Well, we'll make loads more and we'll go back and see our wee cat. But what do we do tonight?
Our wee Benji.
Yeah. Oh, we got our dinner. What did you get for dinner? McDonald's?
Yep.
Yeah, I got McDonald's, and Harry got...
And what did I get for breakfast?
Harry got KFC.
I mean lunch.
Lunch I made you something.
Noodles.
Noodles? No, it was for breakfast before you went. Sausage rolls.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you love sausage rolls. So then the night we just sat and watched SpongeBob was on TV, and we're just playing cards most of the night.
Daddy, I wish we could put Netflix on. I wish there was a TV in here and we could play Netflix on it.
Yeah.
So we could get to sleep easy.
But I'm sure we'll be able to get to sleep because I think, oh my goodness, I think you're tired. I think I'm tired. What do you think? Yeah, and then we'll get up in the morning and we'll see what we're going to do. So, yeah, we'll say night to everybody.
I just heard thunder.
Oh.
If you hear this,
It's spooky.
just grab your thunder buddy and sing the magic words.
Yeah, we're not singing Thunder Buddies.
I know.
Okay.
You're not allowed to swear more
So,
than
and that
3
big wind.
times in a video.
And that big wind today down the beach, it near blew all my hair off like the bald I am. Okay, so we'll say night.
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 Mario out.
Mario out. And Daddy out. Bye.